Are you 100% in control over your personal and professional life? Are you in control of the way you spend your time? What about this? Are you sick of working for someone else? Are you stuck in a career where you feel like you could be running the company more effectively? Are you tired of working long hours to help make someone else rich? Do you think you could make better decisions than those above you? And do you want to be the one making those decisions? Not everybody does, and that's okay. But if you are nodding along to those questions, you chose the right book. On the flip side, maybe you're one of those rare people who actually likes their job, but perhaps you want to figure out how to build different revenue streams, diversify your portfolio, create a legacy opportunity for your family, or give yourself an exit strategy should the day ever come that you don't like your job anymore. Or, although this may be hard to imagine, maybe you want to prepare yourself for the day when your current employer doesn't want you anymore. Then what? If your salary is your only source of income, you're one step away from poverty. Warren Buffett. Let's be honest here. You probably didn't stumble upon this book by accident. There was something about franchising that attracted your attention. Maybe you heard a little bit about franchising before, but have been scared off by stories of high investment costs. Let me guess, you don't have $3 million under your mattress, do you? But what if we told you that you didn't need that? What if we told you that franchising doesn't take millions of dollars? What if we told you that it can be more attainable than buying a starter home? What if we told you that you don't even have to own a franchise in an industry you know something about? What if we told you that you could become a franchise owner and keep your current job? If someone told you all of that, would you want to learn more? If so, that is what we are going to do in this book. Dispel the myths and properly educate you on franchise ownership to determine whether this is the right path for you. Frankly, what is the worst that could happen? Worst case scenario, you listen to a book and learn something new. That is not going to kill you. But maybe, just maybe, you listen to this book and realize that franchise ownership is attainable for you. And perhaps you will even discover how to make that dream a reality. Let me guess. When you hear the word franchising, you probably think of the Golden Arches. McDonald's, and its big-name fellows like Taco Bell and Burger King, might be the quintessential examples of franchises, but they are far from representative of the franchising world as a whole. Unfortunately, many people don't realize just how diverse and accessible franchising really is.